Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can fix if your JLAB Go AirSport, the left or right earbud are not working. So to solve this issue, what you need to do is put the earbuds back to the case. And when you're going to put them back to the case, what you want to do is to press 7 times the right earbud. And it's going to beep, 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 beep. And then you want to do it also for the left one. And it's also going to do beep, 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 beep. And that means that you just resetted the JLAB Go AirSport, and that's how it works. So I hope this video helped you, and right now we would be able to solve this issue. If your left or right earbud are not working, then you can just like pair them with your phone and you would see if they work or no. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, let me down below in the comments. But this is pretty much on how you can reset the JLAB Go AirSport, and also how you can fix the issue of left or right earbud not working. Goodbye.